Do you know Ferrari almost didn't launch this car because it was too dangerous? Not slow, not unreliable, dangerous. It was 1987. In Maranello, engineers were chasing something extreme. Not comfort, not convenience. Something faster than fear. Behind the driver sat a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8. Two IHI turbos waiting. At low revs, it felt calm, almost polite. Then the boost arrived. First, lag, then silence, and then violence. When full pressure hit, the car did not simply accelerate, it attacked. There was no traction control, no stability systems, no ABS, no electronic safety net. Just 478 horsepower and your right foot. During testing, the surge was so sudden that even Ferrari insiders hesitated. The power delivery felt like a switchblade. Sharp. Unforgiving. Some executives wanted to reduce the boost. They wanted smoother power, more safety, less risk. Make it safer. Make it manageable. Make it modern. But this was not just another car. This was the final Ferrari personally approved by Enzo Ferrari. And he refused to soften it. The car would stay raw, unfiltered, honest. If you did not respect it, it would punish you. Sliding plastic windows, exposed carbon fiber, pull-cord door handles. No carpets. No compromise. The result was the Ferrari F40, a machine that did not try to save you. It tested you. And that decision, to choose danger over comfort, is why it became immortal. Today, as we build its Lego version piece by piece, we are not just assembling bricks. We are rebuilding the moment Ferrari chose risk and created a legend. Now tell me, do you know anyone who has driven this car? Or have you experienced it yourself? Share your story in the comments below. And if you enjoy these deep insights behind iconic machines, while we build them in Lego form, subscribe to our channel for more.